Hello, we've just pulled up to camp and we're along Lake Tinaroo and it is so beautiful. We've pulled up to an empty site right along the lake and there's lots of little ducks and we've got our own fire pit which we're just collecting some firewood for now to have a fire tonight. There's Vanny, got the full setup. Look at that. I feel like we've been waiting to find a spot like this where we could stay like in a national park, and it's not too expensive in national parks in Queensland either. I think it's like $6.50 per person a night, which is so cheap. And as long as you're really leaving your site how you found it, or if not better, it's just so worth like going into national parks if you can. And it's actually a little bit cold. We're all rugged up now because it's quite chilly. I think it's meant to be a low of 10 degrees tonight. And we've just booked in for 3 nights here. So a bit of downtime will be so good. What do you think, Kazi?
Beautiful spot.
Beautiful. We'll see what we get up to. I'm sure Kai will do lots of fishing and I might even do some baking. Woo!
We're out here sup fishing, Lake Tinaroo. How cool is this? All the weed and reeds trying to catch us barra. Haven't seen anything or caught anything yet, but it's just nice being out here. It's so cool, so picturesque. Oh, we just got to catch something. Ooh, right on the money.
On the sup.
We're
on the sup. Fishing on the sup. Fishing on the sup. Location. Right in the reeds. Good morning. We are back on the road again after 3 nights staying at a low-cost campground along the Tinaroo Lake. It is so nice. If you guys have not been to that lake, it is the perfect spot to go for like more of like a couple days sort of camping. It can often get quite expensive around Cairns, so this one is really, really good. We met some really nice people, just basically sat around the lake, had fires in the afternoon, watched the stars. No mozzies, so we're winning, yes. And yeah, it was just really nice to slow down. Now we are back in the car and we are about to journey on our waterfall circuit. We've just pulled up to camp after a big day out in the waterfalls. How cool is this spot? Yeah, just completely engulfed by trees. Kai after a big day. Time for some dinner. Doing the Wallaman Falls hike, which we've been so looking forward to doing because so many people talk about how nice it is when you get up, and it's a pretty steep drive but not a far walk to the lookout. We're currently walking down to the falls, which is so exciting.
Steep.
It's so steep. Kai is like
a goat's track on the old knees. Bloody hell.
It's like my dream on the way down, but I'm going to be in agony on the way up. Oh my goodness. We just walked past a couple and they looked like they were going through hell a little. And I was like, oh, keep going, you're not far, even though we well and truly walked a bit. Oh goodness, so wish us luck. We're heading down now. I may not be as chipper on the way up. We'll see.
Well, we made it down to the base. Jesus, this thing is unbelievable. It's silky on these rocks and it's so slippery. How you doing, darling? Bit easier on the way down, isn't it?
Man, short chins, don't get them. Made it! Woo! We just had a big swim at the Big Crystal Creek at the Paluma Ranges. We're just at Paradise Waterhole and it's so nice.
So nice. The water is crystal clear and there's heaps of fish in it.
Yeah, there's some really big fish down there. We've been trying to work out what they are. But just snorkeling around and got the whole place to ourselves.
How beautiful.
Next time we're heading to the NT.